Dude, seriously, you're scrolling. This is how you're taking a break? This is not, get rid of that thing. This is not how to take a break. Come to Take a Break Spas and Billiards. You wanna take a break the right way? Look at this, we've got outdoor furniture. Outdoor furniture here, we've got barbecues. Let's go on a tour, should we? How about Gordon Ramsay's pizza oven? Don't forget about the pergolas. And when you come to your game room, we have the ultimate game room. Air hockey tables, look at this, 4 different kinds. Foosball tables. Back over here, we've got arcade games, darts, basketball, skee ball. And did I say darts? Check this out. These are all kinds of darts over here. Darts, dart boards, we've got steel tip, soft tip, ping pong, pool tables. How many pool tables do you want? We got dozens and dozens of pool tables. Tell you what, come with me. Check this out. The latest in therapy, hot and cold therapy. We've got cold plunges you can choose from. These things are amazing. The health benefits that come from cold and hot therapy. Saunas, we've got leisure craft saunas. These are wet saunas, all different shapes and sizes. Infrared saunas, many on display. We have dozens and dozens to choose from. And guess what? We guarantee the lowest price. You will not get a better deal anywhere on any of this kind of stuff. We're gonna match anybody's price, Amazon, eBay, Wayfair, I don't care where you found it. Come to Take a Break Spas and Billiards, Springville, American Fork, West Jordan. Come see us. Take a break the right way. Stop scrolling. Come and see us.